Guys, today I'm going to show you a website that I use on a lot of my web pages to help increase and optimize the page load speeds. It is called GTmetrix. It's a very good tool. Pretty much just go to the website. Right up here is the link, gtmetrix.com. And what you're going to want to do is go ahead and type the URL in right here. So let's just go ahead and do my website. And I'm going to analyze. And after a few seconds it will, I think it screwed up. I put a dot in there, or maybe I hit a dot. Let me try it again. Bam. Now this time hopefully it should work, because I didn't mistype anything, and it'll fetch your site. So we're gonna wait here a few seconds. I'm gonna pause the video and come back. Alright, as you can see here, my page finally loaded, and it gives me my page speeds. And one thing I like about GTmetrix is that it gives you different things and statistics. It gives you page speed and the YLO and all this information, which is very, very useful. So what you're going to want to do is go through here and start to try to fix some of the things that you can fix. Typically what I try to do is look at things that have a high priority and are relatively easy to fix. Like you can, scale your images really easy and optimize your images. You can minify. You can do a lot of this stuff fairly easy. So, I mean, just kind of go through each one. Usually they'll vary. Each, the page speed's one place, Y is another place, Y slow is another one. And you can go through here. And then if you're trying to diagnose what's taking something so long to load on your website, it actually breaks it down using, waterfall. I don't know if you've heard of it, but it will break it down and you can try to figure out where you're having issues. Obviously, my picture here, where was it? Picture right here was taking a lot of time to load. That right there. So you can get the point from this, and it has all sorts. I think you have to log in for some of these ones, if I remember correctly. But you get the picture. And then what you're going to want to do is, what I typically do is run the test first, save that, like do a screenshot or something, and then start working on fixing some things, and then you can see how much you improve. And I believe if you log into GTmetrix, you can actually, it'll save and cache your results so you can see where you did improve. It's kind of neat. But a lot of these are easy to fix, and if you can't figure anything out, just go ahead and, copy it, and usually it'll tell you right here what you need to fix. See, it'll tell you. And some of these things you can't fix. So there'll be things that you can't do anything about. Like some stuff on Twitter I can't do anything about, Google Analytics and stuff like that. There's some of these things I can't do anything about. So just pretty much, try to figure out what you can fix and what you can clean up. And that's pretty much how you're going to get it all cleaned up and get your page to load faster. And typically, if you haven't, I made some other videos on how to install some plugins to improve your page load speeds. Check those out if you haven't. But other than that, if you have any questions, feel free to shoot me a DM or email like always.